What made me fall in love with him was his personality. He was very jovial and happy, and I wasn't so much that way at that stage in my life. He was very encouraging, telling me you can do anything you want to do. As an athlete, he was incredible. His sophomore year in high school, he won the 800 meters in the state championship, had a lot of success in his running career. He had told me that he felt like something was going wrong, but he couldn't figure out what it was. So he decided to go to a neurologist. We went in his office and he explained to us that he'd ruled everything else out. And he said, "You have Parkinson's disease." And we went out to the parking lot and Scott cried. Sorry. For the first time I'd ever seen him be that sad. But you know what? He's never cried a day since then. Scott, when he comes home from work, is completely and totally wiped out. So he's working so much harder to just be able to keep up. Seeing him not be able to do the everyday things is really hard, and it makes you wonder, like, what is life gonna be? Having the whole family together is the most important thing. My kids have been my life. I had 3 people that I took care of. As the other 2 have gone, and I thought, okay, this is gonna be less for me. In some ways, it's changing and becoming more for me because now I have Scott to help take care of. Knowing that he had disability insurance, from my standpoint, is a piece of security that I don't even know really how to express to you how much that means to us and to our whole family. If you did not have disability insurance, it would change the entire picture of your illness. We would probably have to downgrade a lot. It would be different for our children because the medications are extremely important and they are extremely expensive. In the future, when he takes disability, the disability insurance is what will help us maintain his quality of life. The thing that's probably surprised me the most would be the change, just the change in what you thought would be and what you know won't be. So I'm just hoping and praying for good days.